Hi guys, we are going to cook a cream stew. And this is our ingredients for today. This is milk. Need to fry the this onions, carrots, and garlic. Need thinly sliced pork, with white pepper, with a dash of flour. Did around 3 tablespoons. Mix very well up to like, if you look at like smooth, pour a water around 2 ajinomoto, a little bit of bonito powder, then pour milk. Hit, hit. Put the cabbage and corn. And put simmer of your fire. Dun, 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 dun. Then open the milk and pour it after cover that cabbage. Yes.
Basta
Alright. And then continue after boiling. Add what's that? Cauliflowers? Broccoli this. Ay, so tangkong. Oh, looks so delicious. Then it's starting boiling and then off. And after cooking, my friends, this is the result. See, as I told you, even you're at home, if you're planting, you can harvest and then you can eat special like this. Up to next video, my friends. See you.